Hi, I'm Alex. I'll show how to replace a 15-inch MacBook Pro glass. You need a pentalobe driver, suction cup, thin picks, heat source, adhesive. Power off, disconnect the battery, wear an ESD strap, and clear the area. Warm the display edges on low heat, then place a suction cup and lift. Insert a thin pick to cut adhesive, moving slowly and avoiding cables beneath. When free, lift the glass straight up and place on a soft cloth. Remove old adhesive residue with isopropyl and a plastic scraper, then dry. Apply pre-cut adhesive strips precisely, aligning with the case mounting points. Set the new glass down evenly, press edges firmly, and secure adhesion. Reconnect the battery, power on, and run a quick display and touch test. Compare before and after shots. The screen should be flush and responsive. Maintenance tip: clean with a microfiber cloth, avoid ammonia or abrasive cleaners. Thanks.